Okay, guys, I'm not gonna waste your time. I'm really gonna keep this one short and snappy. So, why is security important? If you don't take this seriously, you could risk losing your channel down the line. You're going to be putting a lot of work into this and time, so it's just best to be safe. A hacker who gets access to your channel could potentially delete income producing videos permanently, delete your channel, run scams from your name. Okay, and so this is all easily avoidable. So what can you actually do? So first of all, use secure passwords. Duh. I've seriously seen people using passwords like test123, like this type of passwords, right? Don't do that, please. Seriously, change passwords frequently. Now, this one, do that maybe once a year. Like, you don't actually have to be a psycho and change your passwords like every week, but do that at least 6 to 12 months. Okay, you don't know, like, because naturally, if you're gonna be a YouTuber, you're gonna be creating so many accounts on so many like websites, tools. You're gonna be providing your password in so many places. So it's just the best, like in that sense, it's the best bet to just change your password frequently. Use 2FA, two-factor authentication. Like, I'm not gonna teach you how to do it. It's super self-explanatory. You just go here on YouTube, Google account, and you just set it up here. Okay, that's how it's done. And then just avoid suspicious requests, and meaning like in don't click on funny links. They're kind of both together, especially as you're gonna be getting more and more popular. Myself, in my email, I get phishing links. Those of you who don't have any like cybersecurity background, phishing link is a link when if you click on this link, basically someone can take advantage of you. Depending on their hacking levels, they can either get full access to your computer, or they can use that link to get your login, password information, and so many nasty, dirty ways people can take advantage of those kind of links. So be extra careful with your email. Just if you get an email, just don't rush to click on something, right? Like, always analyze, like, just have the overall picture. Who is emailing you? Like, is this actually an official account? Like, everything adds up, right? Like, then proceed. Okay, again, every single thing I say is from experience. Like, I'm not making this up. Like, hackers actually try to hack you. Hackers actually try to send you these links. Okay, we are good people out here. We're trying to make money in an honest way by creating YouTube automation channels. Not everybody's like us. Okay, so it's all a game. Online space, it's a war zone. Okay, everybody's trying to profit off each other, so especially the scammers. Okay, so do be aware of this entire situation. Okay.